Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle, and in today's video we're going to be making samosa wraps. So in a bowl you're going to want to add 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of oil, and ½ teaspoon salt. I sincerely apologize for my video quality today, guys. The weather was not doing me justice, and I usually use natural lighting. So today it was not giving, but anyway, we can still do it as long as you can see what I'm doing. So here I'm gradually adding water and forming a dough, which I'm gonna shape round and place in a bowl, cover, and leave it for 20 minutes just to activate the gluten. So the method that I'm using today requires that you do a lot of rolling. So you're gonna see as I go exactly how I do it, because you have to be very strategic. Apparently I'm doing this for the first time and I hope it comes out well. So after rolling, you want to spread the little sheet with oil and then sprinkle with some flour, so that when you stack them together they don't stick to each other. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah, that's just the purpose of doing this. I usually prefer trimming the edges because you would want a nicely shaped samosa, you guys. So I don't want stress. And for the little sheets that I'm taking away, you can just have them as is or just fry them together with your samosas, anyhow that you prefer. They're still good if you eat them like that, honestly. So yeah, because we don't want to waste. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.